Troubleshooting, one side of the pump is not working. If you're experiencing loss of suction on one side of your breast pump, start by replacing the ductile valves. Over time, these can wear out, reducing suction. If replacing the valves doesn't resolve the issue, try switching the breast shield kits from the left side to the right, and vice versa, to see if the problem follows the parts. If the suction issue remains on the same side of the motor, there may be a defect with your breast pump. In this case, we recommend contacting our customer support for further assistance. If the issue switches sides with the same pump parts, the problem may lie with the pump components, and you'll likely need to replace them. For additional help, please contact our customer service support team at 1-888-662-7159.